Hi, today I will be unboxing a ukulele that came to me from one of you, and I am overwhelmed with gratitude. I am sorry if this video gets emotional, but when I make these videos and put them here on the channel, I really do them because it gives me so much joy to read your comments, and every time that you say like you got it, or how much you've grown on the instrument, or how the videos work. And that's the best way to show your gratitude to a teacher, is to tell them that what you put out there worked. And so I don't expect any gifts from you, but Ken has sent something and he asked that I unbox it on camera. So yeah, thank you so much to Ken. I really appreciate it, and thank you to everyone who's ever left a comment and expressing their gratitude or telling me how to be a better teacher next time, because everything we have now here in this channel is because of that. And I have no words. I'm sorry. This box is really heavy, so I think there's more than just a ukulele in here. So Ken bought this straight from the ukulele site. I will link them down below, and yeah, you can check them out. I have not worked with the ukulele site before, so it'll be really interesting to see how everything comes in the package. Whoa! Oh my gosh, you guys, this comes in a hard case. This is my first ever hard case. Oh, get out. Oh my goodness. Now I feel like a legitimate ukulele player. I'm sorry if I cry. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so light. Wow. And it's like gold. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I saw another ukulele channel review a Pono Ukulele, and I thought, man, like, that looks nice. I never thought that I would have one. Oh, let me turn this up and then I'll play it. And it doesn't need tuning. The tuners slide like butter. Oh, that's such a pretty voice. Thank you so much. I love you all. Ken, your generosity is, I don't even know what to say. Thank you. Yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful winter holiday season, and a happy new year. And I hope that you will come back for another full year of tutorials and adventures with me on this channel. See you in the next one. Sayonara.